Hi, I'm Dr. Dayne Rogers with Livewell Robotic Therapy in Clarkston, Michigan. If you've been suffering from plantar fasciitis, you've come to the right place. This is the RX2600 therapeutic robot. It is a groundbreaking medical technology that performs robotic physical therapy. Robotic physical therapy is an advanced form of muscular therapy that focuses on soft tissue mobilization. Muscles can become shortened due to injury and repetitive daily activities. This can create imbalances and pull your body out of alignment. Lengthening the muscles takes tension off the bone structure, improves postural alignment, increases mobility, and decreases aches and pains. As you may know, plantar fasciitis pain is often caused by tight calves and plantar muscles. This tension creates imbalances that can lead to pain and compression of the plantar fascia and the muscles of the foot. Everyday habits like prolonged standing, walking, gait issues, wearing certain shoes, or simply a sedimentary lifestyle can trigger plantar fasciitis, causing tension and discomfort. Robotic physical therapy addresses the shortened and tight muscles with the goal to allow your body to get back to its natural alignment. The RX2600 is precise and efficient in the amount of pressure applied to the muscle tissue. Because of this, patient discomfort is reduced to a minimum, if any at all. Many patients see results in their very first session. Most of our patients' issues are resolved in a manageable 5 to 10 weekly sessions. When you compare the time and cost to other treatments, it is an affordable and effective solution. Sessions are once a week, last an hour, but your first visit will be around 90 minutes. This gives us enough time for a full assessment in addition to a full treatment session.